How Do Dinosaurs Learn to Be Kind by Jane Yolen and Mark Teague. How do dinosaurs learn to be kind? Does he roar about everything that's on his mind? Does he ride his bike fast, making other bikes fall? Does he then turn around and just laugh at them all? Does he splash in the tub till his brother cries out? Does he pull up the plug, leaving brother in drought? Does he hide Grandpa's cane in a faraway bush? Does he give Grandma's wheelchair a fast, silly push? Does he stomp in huge puddles to make a big mess? Does he spill his ice cream on Mama's new dress? Does he hide Daddy's pencils and papers and pens? Does he tell silly stories about all of his friends? Does he wake up at midnight and make lots of noise? He steal his big sister's new shoes and her toys? No! A dinosaur knows how to be very kind and always keeps other folks firmly in mind. His mother and father, they both call him Sweet. He helps both his grands cross the busiest street. He is kind to his friends and his neighbors and more. What a one-of-a-kind, very kind dinosaur.